Imagine this. You're sitting in front of your computer, and in less than 10 seconds, you can discover every open door into a network, every hidden service running, and even the operating system of a remote machine. Sounds like hacking magic, right? Well, it's not magic, it's Nmap. Today, I'm starting a brand new series where I will teach you everything about Nmap, from zero to advanced level, step by step, live and practical. By the end of this series, you'll be able to scan like a pro, just like real hackers and cybersecurity experts do. Nmap stands for Network Mapper. It's one of the most powerful and widely used tools in cybersecurity, created back in 1997, and still the #1 choice for system administrators, penetration testers, and ethical hackers. With Nmap, you can discover live hosts inside a network, scan for open ports, identify services running on those ports, detect the operating system of a machine, and even find vulnerabilities using advanced scripts. Why is Nmap so important? In cybersecurity, the very first step before attacking or defending is reconnaissance, gathering information. If you don't know what's inside the network, you're blind. Nmap gives you a map of the battlefield. It tells you which systems are alive, what doors, ports are open, what services are running, and what weaknesses you might exploit or need to secure. First, practical demo. Now let me show you the simplest Nmap command, nmapscanme.nmap.org. The creators of Nmap set up this server specifically for practice. When I run this command, Nmap scans the server and shows me the open ports, the services running, and even their versions. See? We now know exactly what's running on this machine, without ever logging in. That's the power of Nmap. This is just the beginning. In the next video, I'll show you how to install Nmap on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So no matter what system you're using, you can follow along. Trust me, by the end of this series, you won't just know Nmap, you'll master it 100%. So if you want to learn hacking tools the right way, make sure you hit like, smash that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson. Thank you for watching, and let's get started on this journey together.